Yeah.
You know sometimes life just send you
Exactly what you need,
I me never expect it to be you.
but here we are.
Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. From the first time I look into your eyes, my heart start beating like a sweet surprise. Never thought love would find me in this place, but then God decide to send you with that face. You have a spirit that shine like the morning sun. Warm and gentle, you're the chosen one. Me been through roads that were rocky and long, but every struggle make me heart grow strong. Strong enough to recognize the real, strong enough to know exactly what me feel. And what me feel right now is hard to explain, like sunshine breaking through the heaviest rain. You walk into my life so natural and free, like the universe was writing you and me. Me not fight against the current anymore, cause baby, the blessing me been waiting for. Me look at you and see my future clear. Everything me ever want is standing here.
Now let the world distract me from this love.
You're the gift me never knew if you ask about. You make me
feel alive, alive.
like the first breath of air on a morning drive.
Me feel alive.
In a world so cold, you're keeping me warm inside.
Every touch, every smile, every word you say, make me thank the Lord for this beautiful day. Make me feel alive.
So alive, baby, you're the reason me survive.
Me used to build up walls so tall and wide, couldn't let nobody step too far inside. Been hurt before and swore me wouldn't fall till you come knock gentle upon my heart's front wall. You never rush me, never made me feel small. You steady like a rock through the rise and fall. That patience that you carry is big volumes load. You're different from the rest, me want to say it proud.
When you wrap your arms around me late at night, every shadow fade away, everything feel right. Me not question if this love is meant to be, cause the answer's in the way you look at me. Like me, I'm your whole world and your whole reason.
Like me, I'm the sunshine through every season.
Baby, me done fighting what me know is true.
Everything inside me saying it's you. Me feel it in my bones, me feel it in my chest. Out of everything in life, you are the best. Now look for nobody else across the room. When me have your light, me no need no room. Feel alive, alive.
Like the first breath of air on a morning drive.
Let me feel alive.
In a world so cold, you're keeping me warm inside.
Every touch, every smile, every word you say, make me thank the Lord for this beautiful day. Make me feel alive.
So alive, baby, you're the reason me survive. Me remember the night we stood under the stars, talking about our dreams and healing all with scars. You told me about the pain that used to keep it down, and me promise that me never let you wear a frown. That night me made a vow deep in my soul to love you right, I make you feel whole. Not just when things easy, when the skies are blue, but through the storm, I'm standing here for you. Me want to wake up every day and see your face, feel the warmth beside me in the sacred space. Cook for you on Sunday, hold it through the week, be the strength you lean on when the world feel bleak. Now I take this love for granted, not a single day. Gonna show you different in 100 ways. From the little things to the grandest gesture done. Baby, you're my moon, my stars, my rising sun.
I'ma do the same for you in every way. Make sure you never doubt my love, not even a day. When the pressure of the world come bearing down, I want to be the smile that replace your frown. You deserve somebody who will truly see every layer of the man that you choose to be. Not just the strong and confident outside, but the tender heart you carry deep inside.
See the way I love, see the way I care. The little moment showing me you're always there. Like the way you call for check if me alright, or the way you hold me tight all through the night. That is the love them write the love songs for. That is the love me never want to ignore. So me giving you me all, me giving you my best. Baby, lay your worries down and let me do the rest. Some people search a lifetime for this feeling, the kind of love that sets your heart to healing. But we find it in each other, young and free, just you and me the way it's meant to be. Now waste no time and doubt a second guess. Just hold it tight and know we both been blessed. Cause love like this no come around too much. So me treasuring every smile, every look, every touch.
Yeah, me feel it in the stillness of the morning, when the birds outside start singing without warning. Me reach across and feel you breathing there. I'ma realize there's nothing to compare to this simple, perfect, beautiful life. Building something real through joy and strife. Me not ask for perfect, me just ask for true. And everything me ever ask for, that's you.
You know sometimes life just send you
exactly what you need.
I may never expect it to be you, but here we are. From the first time I look into your eyes, my heart start beating like a sweet surprise. Never thought love would find me in this place. But then God decide to send you with that face. You have a spirit that shine like the morning sun. Warm and gentle, you're the chosen one. But been through roads that were rocky and long, but every struggle made my heart grow strong. Strong enough to recognize the real, strong enough to know exactly what me feel. And what me feel right now is hard to explain, like sunshine breaking through the heaviest rain. You walk into my life so natural and free, like the universe was writing you on me. And now fight against the current anymore, cause baby you the blessing me been waiting for. Me look at you and see my future clear. Everything me ever want is standing here. Now let the world distract me from this love. You're the gift me never knew fi ask about.
You make me feel alive, alive,
like the first breath of fear on a morning drive.
you make me feel alive, alive.
In a world so cool, you're keeping me warm inside.
Every touch, every smile, every word you say.
Let me thank the Lord for this beautiful day.
You make me feel alive, so alive.
Baby, you're the reason me survive.
Me used to build up walls so tall and wide, couldn't let nobody step too far inside. Been hurt before and swore me wouldn't fall, till you come knock gentle on me heart's front wall. You never rush me, never made me feel small. You steady like a rock through the rise and fall. That patience that you carry, it speak volumes loud. You're different from the rest, me want say it proud.
When you wrap your arms around me late at night, every shadow fade away, everything feel right. Me not question if this love is meant to be, cause the answer's in the way you look at me. Like me, I'm your whole world and your whole reason. Like me, I'm the sunshine through every season. Baby, me done fighting, what me know is true. Everything inside me saying it's you.
Me feel it in my bones, me feel it in my chest. Out of everything in life, you are the best. Now look for nobody else across the room. When me have your light, me know me feel alive, alive.
Like the first breath of fear on a morning drive.
You make me feel alive, alive.
In a world so cold, you're keeping me warm inside.
Every touch, every smile, every word you say.
Let me thank the Lord for this beautiful day.
You make me feel alive, so alive.
Baby, you're the reason me survive. Me remember the night we stood under the stars, talking about our dreams and healing our scars. You told me about the pain that used to keep you down. I'ma promise that me never let you wear a frown. That night me made a vow deep in my soul, to love you right and make you feel whole. Not just when things easy, when the skies are blue, but through the storm I'm standing here for you. Me want to wake up every day and see your face, feel you warm beside me in the sacred space. Cook for you on Sunday, hold you through the week, be the strength you lean on when the world feel bleak. Now take this love for granted, not a single day. Gonna show you different in 100 ways. From the little things to the grandest gesture done. Baby, you're my moon, my stars, my rising sun.
And me want do the same for you in every way. Make sure you never doubt my love, not even a day. When the pressure of the world come bearing down, me want to be the smile that replace your frown. You deserve somebody who will truly see every layer of the man that you choose to be. Not just the strong and confident outside, but the tender heart you carry deep inside.
Me see the way you love me,
See the way you care,
the little moments,
showing me you're always there.
like the way you call for check,
Give me alright
or the way you hold me tighter.
through the night.
That is the love them write the love songs for.
That is the love me never want ignore.
So me giving you me all, me giving you my best. Baby, lay your worries down and let me do the rest. Some people search a lifetime for this feeling, the kind of love that sets your heart to healing. But we'll find it in each other, young and free, just you and me the way it's meant to be. No waste no time and those are second guess. Just hold you tight and know we both been blessed, cause love like this no come around too much. So me treasuring every smile, every look, every touch.
Yeah, me feel it in the stillness of the morning, when the birds outside start singing without warning.
Me reach across and feel you breathing there,
And I realize there's nothing to compare to this simple, perfect, beautiful life. Building something real through joy and strife. now ask for perfect. Me just ask for true. And everything me ever ask for, that's you.